please address the gathering.
Okay.
Respected VC Sahab, Shri Sanjay Deshmukh, Amitabh ji, who very, very kindly consented to come and do the honors this evening, all dignitaries sitting here with me, and all friends who have come to wish me well, all those who have joined me on the board of directors as well as the advisory board, I thank you all. You come at a time in my life that has been a long, long journey, and we've seen quite a bit of what that was. I need another challenge. It's time I did something more exciting than just the making of one film. I want to lay the ground through this for hundreds of thousands of students in the years to come. I may not see it all through, but I'm sure there will be enough people behind me, around me, and who will have learned enough, and they will convey everything to the new generation who I would like should benefit from all my learning. When I started, I did not have a school to go to. I was on the sets, I learned, I imbibed. And by the way, I'll tell you one observation of mine during the film Sholay. The keenest observer on the set was, yes, Shri Amitabh Bachchan. Every now and then I would look around, even if it was not his shot. He sat there pretending to read a book. Maybe he was reading it as well, his multi-tracks. But he would be watching. He would be watching what goes before and after. When the foreigners came for the action sequences, he was watching what they're doing and how differently they're doing it. He never said a word, but he observed. I have learned from him what I'm going to do now and teach youngsters like those who will come and join me, that besides the education, your sense, keenness, your observation will take you a long way. The courses will do their work. Everything you learn in schools is extremely important. It will pave the way. But the passion inside of you, that strength, willpower, and desire to make it, whether an actor or a director or any other field, you will always see that the best in each field will always be those who put their heart and soul in it. And that will be told to you, but you have to find it in yourself. The rest we can help you with very well here. Hands-on, we shall be there to guide you. We will have the best of faculty who will come, guest faculty, all who have done so well in this field. They will come and share their experiences. I'm sure they would like you to know a little more about how they came about to be what they are. And I would like you to benefit from all this. So please come, join us in this wonderful way forward. And for that, the one man I have to thank a lot is Mr. Ashish Kulkarni, who made this possible. Sri Sanjay Deshmukh for the visionary he is, and Mr. Karnik for forging ties with our organization so that now we are a terrific combination, and with Mr. Bachchan blessing us this evening, we're on our way. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.